Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you a very typical recipe from my hometown in the north of Mexico. It's very popular for Lent season, so I hope you can give it a try. I'm going to show you how to make beet and fruit water. So easy and delicious. I hope you like it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Wash all the ingredients. You need all the fruit and vegetables to be clean and ready to use. Now we're going to slice most of the ingredients. For this recipe I'm using 5 oranges. So we're going to cut 4 of the oranges into thin slices. Then place the slices in a bowl and set them aside for a minute. Also reserve the leftover orange, we're going to use that later. Now we will also cut the bananas into thin slices. You can use up to 6 bananas if you want to. I'm going to be using 4 of them. So we're going to cut them into slices and then we're going to set them aside for a little bit. Now we're going to cut or shred the lettuce into very thin slices as well. And like I said, all the vegetables are already washed. So after you have the lettuce into thin slices, set it aside. And then the only thing left is the beets. I'm using 5 beets. And I'm going to finely dice 3 of them. I'm going to cut them into very small cubes. And then after that, I'm going to shred the other 2 beets. So once all the ingredients are ready, now in a large bowl or container, we're going to empty the water. I'm using about 1.5 gallons of water. Now we're going to season this with cane sugar. Stir well until the sugar has dissolved. Taste the flavor, and if you want you can add more sugar. Then after that, now we're going to add in the beets. We're going to add in the chopped beets, and we will also add in the shredded beets. Stir once again. Taste the flavor. You can add more sugar if you want to. And then after that, we're going to add in the sliced oranges. And then after that, we will also add in the sliced bananas. And then also add in the shredded lettuce. Now finally, add in the juice of the leftover orange. Stir once again, taste the flavor, add more sugar if necessary. And that's about it. Now we're going to add in plenty of ice or refrigerate it until you're ready to serve it. And that's it. This beet water is very popular in my hometown around Lent season, but it's so delicious. I recommend it all year around. I hope you like it. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!